Listen, Mama. Listen, you know what day it is today. You are very late. I have to send the bill tomorrow. It's the 1st. Today is the 30th. I already collected $20 from your brothers. 10 from Abdi and 10 from Ahmed. I need you to give me $300 today. So I send the money tomorrow.
That's a lot of money. For who?
No, you have big family. Your aunties, your uncles, your great-grandparents, their kids and their kids' kids. $300 for what? You have to be for real, Mama. I'm not gonna send money to those people. They live in villas, 8-bedroom houses, and they have 2 maids. I need my money. Us, don't say that. Don't speak about charity. You just give, don't talk, okay? It's good for you. It protects you from all types of evil eye and helps your cousins back home. Shh. Don't talk, just give me money. To tell you, Hoya, I've already spent my money. Like, I only have my Starbucks money left, and I put it in a card, so I'm sorry. Your choice, heaven over Starbucks? Good for you. Good for you. Don't talk to me I don't want to talk to you ever again. I don't. Leave alone.